Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be going over this DCC Sound Proto 2000 GP9 that I was given for free the other day. So, I'll get into it pretty quickly here. Alright, so before I go into a quick overview of the model itself, I'll give a little bit of a history on this engine. So, Southern Pacific 3010 was originally delivered to the Texas and New Orleans Passenger Railroad in the Black Widow scheme. It was then transferred to Southern Pacific, still in the Black Widow scheme, as a completely different number. Then it was repainted into Bloody Nose in a different number for freight, and then it was numbered to this for passenger service on the Peninsula commute. So even though it's pretty much this model as a passenger engine, I'll plan on using it for freight, and I might get some commute cars to go with it in the future, as well as heavily weathering it. So, with that little bit of history out of the way, I will move on to the overview of this model. So overall, this is a really nice model. However, it's got some things that need to be changed, which I'll go to first. Some of this paint up here has started to chip off, both like right here on the roof and this grab iron here. Also, all the handrail looks like it all needs a nice repaint at some point. Here and here, all of it needs a good repaint. Some of these MU hoses need a repaint as well. So I'll just need to get the paint and the time to do that. Or this might be a good candidate for having weathered, which might be interesting. But yeah, overall, I do like this model. I do very much like the look of this horn. It's had custom lighting applied on here. It's also had actual axle upgrades, as well as Katie's installed. It's also got a passenger train number board, which I'll leave on there, but I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't really have any replacements, so for now, I'm sort of stuck with that, because I just plan on using this for freight service. Yeah, I thought I'd give you an overview of this model. Alright, so next time I see you, we'll be at the club. I'll show you all the sounds and stuff of this model, and we'll give it a test run and all that fun stuff. So I'll be back then.